Someone taught you to save. Maybe it was your mother. Maybe it was a teacher. Maybe it was just watching your parents struggle and deciding you would do things differently. So you save. Every month, something goes aside. You resist the urge to spend. You say no to things. You feel responsible. You feel disciplined, and you are disciplined. That matters. Don't let anyone take that from you. But I need to tell you something today that nobody sat you down to explain. Saving alone is losing. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine it's 5 years ago. You have 1,000 units of your currency sitting in your account. You worked hard for it. You protected it. You didn't touch it. Fast forward to today. Open your account. The number still says 1,000, exactly where you left it. But go to the market. Try to buy what 1,000 bought 5 years ago. You can't. Food is not the same price. Fuel is not the same price. Rent is not the same price. Everything you want to buy has moved, but your money didn't move with it. That's the trap. Your account balance didn't change, but your purchasing power did. Quietly, silently, every single year. While you were being responsible, inflation was being ruthless. We talked about inflation in the last video. If you haven't watched it, go back and watch it first. The link is in the description. But here's the short version. Inflation means prices rise over time. And depending on where you live, they don't always rise slowly. Sometimes they rise fast, aggressively, sometimes brutally. Think about the basic things you buy every week. Bread, transport, electricity. Compare what they cost today versus 5 years ago. That difference is inflation. And here is the part most people miss. Your savings account interest rate is almost never higher than inflation, which means every year, your money needs to grow faster than prices rise just to stay in the same position, not grow. Just stay. If your savings account gives you 4%, 6%, even 10%, but inflation in your country is running at 15, 20, or 25%, you are falling behind every single year. This is not opinion. This is mathematics. Now, let me be clear. Saving is not bad. Saving is important. Saving is necessary. Saving is the foundation. If your phone breaks tomorrow and you have no savings, you have a crisis. If you lose your job and have nothing set aside, you are in serious trouble. An emergency fund is not optional. It is protection. But here's the distinction that changes everything. Saving protects your money from you. Investing protects your money from inflation. Two completely different problems, two completely different solutions. Think about it this way. Money is a seed. When you save, you put the seed in a box. It's safe. Nobody steals it. Nobody touches it. But seeds do not grow in boxes. Seeds grow when you plant them, when you give them time, when you put them in the right environment. Investing is planting the seed. And yes, planting comes with risk. Storms happen, bad seasons happen. But the farmer who never plants, he definitely goes hungry. The person who never invests, inflation guarantees they fall behind. Now let's address something directly. Investing is not gambling. Investing is not that message promising 50% returns in 2 weeks. Investing is not your friend's guaranteed opportunity that doubles your money next month. Those are traps, and they exist everywhere. Real investing is different. Real investing means putting your money into things that increase in value over time. Businesses with real products and real customers. Assets people will always need. Skills that increase your earning power. Opportunities with track records, not promises. It is not flashy. It is not instant, but it works. Here is what I want you to walk away with. 2 goals, 2 tools. Save for safety. That means 3 to 6 months of your expenses. Somewhere accessible, not invested, not locked away, just available, because life will happen. Invest for growth. That means money beyond your emergency fund, money with a job, money working while you sleep, money growing faster than inflation can eat it. You need both, not one, both. Because here is the hard truth. If your money is not growing faster than inflation, you are moving backward. even when your account balance looks the same, even when you feel responsible, even when you think you are doing everything right. The goal was never just to have money. The goal is to keep its power. 1,000 that still buys 1,000 worth of value. A large sum that still means something 5 years from now. That only happens when your money moves, when it grows, when it works. In the next video, we're getting practical. I'll break down specific ways you can start investing today. Not theories, not complicated strategies, practical steps that work in the real world with the money you actually have. This video was the why. The next one is the how. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Hit the bell, because that next video is one you genuinely cannot afford to skip. And if this changed how you see your savings account, share it. Someone in your life is working hard, saving every month, feeling responsible, and slowly falling behind without knowing it. Share this with them. It might be the most valuable thing they hear this year. Naira Sense, a channel dedicated to understanding money, economics, saving, investing, and smart financial decisions. Understanding money so you can control it. See you in the next one.